Rilla's results have enabled us to have very fine tuning in our sales process and increase our success rate. I am Ryan Kelly, CEO of KHB Construction. We are a design build firm coordinating all pre-construction and production.
Prior to Rilla, one of the biggest challenges in sales was communication.
It's a lot of information intake from the second we're in the door to a project starting.
Decided to start working with Rilla because it had a lot of good information. It breaks down every single conversation to know all the things I need, and it summarizes it in detail.
So to have something like Rilla, it's going to allow me to not miss any details, so that way I can do my job as best as possible.
Return on investment that Rilla has provided us has been immediately in the success rate. So we've jumped about 10% from adopting it last year to date. And to have that much improvement in such a short amount of time is a real testament to the product itself.
In Q3, it was closing only 16, 17% of the clients that came across my desk. Since using Rilla, increased to 25% close rate of those clients. If I'm talking client side, they're going to get the best customer experience from a contractor that's using Rilla.
My concerns with Rilla were answered right away. I've been able to reach out to our service with any questions. They set up weekly trainings if needed. The support is really, really good with Rilla.
It's going to help you save time. It's going to help you be more effective in your training, and it's going to give a better client experience. I would highly recommend Rilla to any contractor that's looking for more insights. Partnering with Rilla was for sure the right decision. It's helped us a lot.